Good afternoon. Today I will start with petroleum. Now petroleum, what is petroleum? If you break the word petra plus oleum, petra means rocks and oleum means oil. The oil that we extract from that we get from the rocks. So petroleum is the fossil fuel that mainly contain hydrogen and carbon. Carbon coal you have read. In that you have read that that mainly contain carbon, and petroleum, it is a grayish black fluid or liquid, you can say, which mainly contain hydrogen and carbon. Now, how is this petroleum formed? Millions of years ago, the aquatic or marine plant and animal that get buried deep under the ocean bed due to high temperature and pressure and due to bacterial decay, they get decomposed into oil trapped under impermeable rocks. This oil is then extracted from such reserves. Now, when we take out crude oil, crude petroleum, it is sent for refining. What is this refining? The process of separating the crude oil into different useful fraction by fractional distillation method. We call it as refining of petroleum. And the product obtained due to fractional distillation of crude petroleum, it is petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, paraffin wax, asphalt, lubricating oil. Out of this product, paraffin wax, asphalt, and lubricating oil is not used as fuel. They are having their use, but they are not used as fuel. Now, under this heading, you have to read about LPG. What is this LPG? LPG full form is liquefied petroleum gas. What is the main constituent of LPG? LPG, it contains propane, butane, but main constituent is butane. Now this LPG, we are using it as cooking fuel. It is in the gaseous means L for liquefied petroleum gas. So it is inside the cylinder we used to fill it up, and when we open the nozzle, pressure get released and it get changed into gas and comes out from the burner. Now, what are its advantage? Advantage of LPG, this is very important for exam. It has high calorific value, do not produce any smoke on burning, convenient to use and store, and do not leave any residue after burning. This LPG gas is odorless in its natural state. The smell that we notice when there is a leak is because of ethyl mercaptan that is added to the gas when it leaves the main storage terminal. So keep it in mind, ethyl mercaptan is added to this gas to give an odor. Now next you have to read about natural gas. Natural gas mainly comes from the oil well, and it is also a major source of energy. Under this heading, you have to read about CNG. CNG full form is compressed natural gas. The main constituent of CNG is methane. And the uses of natural gas are, first one, it is used as domestic as well as industrial fuel. Used in thermal power plant to generate electricity. It is also used in the manufacture of fertilizers. And CNG especially is used as a fuel for vehicle. Now, disadvantage of using this fossil fuel. Use of fossil fuel cause air pollution. They are non-renewable source of energy, so they get non-renewable means it will be over. If we use it continuously for many years, we cannot renew it. Then third point is it enhances the greenhouse effect on burning. So you can write it in disadvantage of fossil fuel. These 3 points, very important for exam. Then limitation of using, we are using wood as a fuel. So what are the limitation or disadvantage of using wood as a fuel? Calorific value of wood is low. Then it leads to deforestation. It causes air pollution and it is difficult to store and transport. I am repeating again, calorific value of wood is low. It leads to deforestation, it causes air pollution, and it is difficult to store and transport. So under non-renewable source of energy, you have read about coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Especially you are asked to learn advantage of using LPG. Then thermal power plant. Thermal power plant, we generate electricity by using coal and petroleum. It generates electricity from the heat produced by combustion of coal and petroleum, the steam produced by burning the fossil fuel. That is, coal is burned, that will produce heat. That heat is used to convert water into steam, and this steam runs the turbine to produce electricity. Then hydropower plant. Hydro energy means energy from water. It is the most convenient renewable energy source obtained from water falling from a great height. It is clean and non-polluting source of energy. Now what we are doing to harness this hydro energy? Dams are constructed to collect water flowing in high altitude. The stored water has potential energy. When water is allowed to fall from a height, potential energy changes into kinetic energy, which rotates the turbine to produce electricity. So in hydropower plant, potential energy of the water stored in the dam get converted into kinetic energy of water that falls down, which rotates the turbine. So kinetic energy of water get changed into kinetic energy of turbine, which in turn rotate the coil of the generator and electricity is generated. Now, advantages of using this hydro energy, energy from water. It is a cheap source of energy as it does not involve any costly investment. It is renewable source and generally hydropower project is multi-purpose project. It is eco-friendly and does not cause any pollution. It is readily and abundantly available everywhere at free of cost. Now, disadvantage of using this hydro energy from water. Dam cannot be constructed on all river side. I am repeating again, we cannot construct dam on all the river side. Highly expensive to construct this dam. Large area of human inhabitations and agricultural fields get submerged. People face social and environmental problem. Now two projects, Tehri project, which was started on Ganga, and Sardar Sarovar project, which is on river Narmada. In both this power project, social problem arises. Then see the diagram for hydropower plant. See the reservoir is here, water is stored in the dam and it is allowed to fall down. So at this side, water is having potential energy that get converted when it fall down, and the falling water is used to rotate the turbine. When the turbine start rotating, this is the turbine, the falling water will rotate the turbine. So when the turbine rotates, what happens? The kinetic energy of water gets changed into kinetic energy of turbine, which in turn rotate the coil of the generator, and electricity is generated, which is sent to the different place of need. Generally, it is multi-purpose project. So one purpose is to generate electricity. The used up water is then sent to the lake for recreation purpose. It can also be sent to the agricultural field. So a number of purpose is solved and we are using it for various purpose. So today we are having two questions, write it as homework. First one, write the disadvantage of using fossil fuel. And second, write the limitation of fossil fuel. First one, write the disadvantage or limitation of fossil fuel. Second, write the advantage of CNG. Thank you. Have a nice day.